I'll show you how to replace on your Galaxy S7 Active the back camera lens. You just heat up this thing. We use like a fan blower or heat or anything. Okay, as long as it's pretty hot, should be good. Now just go around and clean this stuff off. You can use knife, anything you want, as long as something sharp. So you can see it comes off pretty easy. Here we go, came off pretty easy. So you can grab one of the sides and then just install a new one. As you can see, one of this you can buy off eBay, anywhere. They're pretty cheap, probably like a few bucks. Use one of these like double side tapes, you just stick it in here. And then just install one of those things on top. Gotta play around with it. Doesn't come off pretty easy. And there you go. Now it's all fixed. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.